Hey you guys! So, as per request, I did a green and gold makeup tutorial for you. First, I want to talk about the palette that I used. A couple months ago, my kid's dad was like, hey, did you know that MC Magic came out with a makeup palette? And I was like, no way. So I came across this brand called Lucky Lashes and Cosmetics, and they made the Lost in Love palette for MC Magic. See, check it out, MC Magic. And so I was on their website, ordered this palette, and then I came across this one right here. And oh my gosh, you guys, it is so pretty. It is called the Glam Now Smoke Later palette. Let me show you the colors real quick. Look at that beauty. I love it. So yeah, I decided to use the colors from this palette to make this look, and I think it came out amazing. I love it so much. And no, this is not a paid promotion. I am just in love with their products. I do have a couple other palettes that I wanted to talk about, but I'm going to do that in a whole separate video. So anyways, if you want to see how I did this look, please keep watching. Thanks. Bye.